Ken and I have worked together intermittently over the last 15 years. And it's been fun to watch Ken evolve and grow into the sought-after, emotionally intelligent leader he is today. Many leaders would be proud and satisfied with the track record that Ken has acquired, and rightfully so. Yet Ken is not the type of person to dwell on the past. He anchors in on the present and aligns himself to the future by asking, what else? In one of our meetings, Ken asked, what else can I learn about myself and my leadership style to know that I'm operating at an optimal level? He wanted to drill down beyond the situational experience and conceptual leadership development theories and clearly understand his opportunities for growth, both personally and professionally. So together, we designed a multi-step approach to assess Ken's leadership capabilities and lifestyle. We started with 8 different assessments, and this gave us a multi-dimensional view of Ken's tendencies, values, and thinking patterns. Then, we surveyed Ken's professional network by selecting 50 people he has worked with in a variety of different companies and countries over the past 20 years. Finally, I interviewed 3 CEOs and 2 C-level executives that Ken has worked with to garner input about his effectiveness as a leader and readiness for the CEO role. This helped us take a holistic approach to every element of Ken's life and better understand the perception of a variety of people who have worked with him over time. As an executive coach, I've had the chance to work with hundreds of talented professionals and leaders, but I haven't seen anyone put themselves out there in quite this way. In reviewing the assessments, what became apparent was the energy Ken gets from making a difference for people and organizations. Ken's values include a spirit of generosity, and that often shows up as an appreciation for diverse perspectives. When I reviewed and analyzed the survey results, I was struck by the consistency of what people had to say about Ken. The level of participation and comments were an indication of loyalty and followership established by Ken with the people he's worked with. It was amazing to get a 100% response rate. And the results clearly indicated a high level of confidence in Ken's decision-making, ability to communicate, create a collaborative work environment, be results-driven, and his adaptability and stress tolerance. The theme that rose to the top from the one-on-one C-level interviews referenced Ken's broad understanding of business versus a specific functional area. Also mentioned was Ken's expansive network and how he stays connected to external industry themes, trends, and practices, and then determines the internal implications on the organizations he's working with. Now, there was constructive feedback as well, and Ken was able to define targeted areas of focus for his ongoing development and satisfaction. I think this work shows something unique about Ken. Not everyone would be willing to dive into a process like this, but Ken likes to ask what else, and with this effort, he took his own medicine. He put himself forward in a non-filtered way. It's a process that holds promise for others who are seeking to advance their personal and professional journeys. And in Ken's case, he showed he's ready to walk the talk. And that perhaps is the most important leadership quality of all.